It is Tuesday, November 17th. I am Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we go over real estate and mortgage related terms. So the term for today is going to be as is. So what does that mean when a seller lists their property and you see as is? In that case, the seller is not willing to do any repairs before the transfer of deed in the sale. So if I'm the buyer and I see that a property is listed as is, I should expect that the seller is not going to make any repairs at all. The only time that a property wouldn't be as is if we agreed to that and explicitly put that in the contract. Now in New Jersey, that's actually already written into the standard contract of sale. So even if the seller doesn't say that, the buyer should know that you are buying that property in whatever condition it is currently in. So please talk to your real estate agent and your attorney to make sure that you understand the terms that you have written in your contract. But that is the term for today. As is, that means the seller will not make repairs. All right. So we will see you next week on Tuesday Talk for our next real estate term. Have a great day.